Hello everyone. In this video, we'll solve a nice German maths Olympiad question. This question is x plus y is equal to 10, xy is equal to 50. We find out what is the value of x and y. Now, if I draw here, so x plus y 10, it will be this, but xy it will be this. But at this moment, we'll find out here is imaginary number, or here is no real solution. Both are complex solution, so you can see easily it will be x plus y is equal to 10, and this is xy. Now you can see easily here is first equation, this is our second equation, and we'll find out x y is equal to y. Now you can see easily here is x, our first equation, it will be x plus y is equal to 10. This is our first equation. Now you can see this expression, it will be y is equal to 10 minus x. So this is our third equation. Now at this moment, if I take our second equation, I mean this equation, it will be xy is equal to 15. Now you can see here x times y it will be 10 minus x, and here is 15. Now at this moment, you can see this expression, it will be 10x minus xx, it will be x square is equal to 50. Now you can see this expression, it will be negative x square plus 10x, and here is minus 50 is equal to 0. Now at this point, if I multiply both sides negative 1, so it will be x square minus 10x plus 50 is equal to 0. Now you can see here is a is equal to 1, v is equal to negative 10, and c is equal to 50. So it will be x is equal to minus b plus minus square root v square minus 4ac over 2a. Then you can see the minus b, it will be minus 10 plus minus square root minus 10 square minus 4ac. A is 1 and c is 50 over 2a. A is 1. Now at this moment, I can see that here is x, it will be 2 times 1 2, it will be 10 plus minus square root 10 to the power 2, it will be 100 minus, it will be 200. 4 times 50, it will be 200. Then this value, it will be 10 plus minus square root minus 100 over 2. Then you can see that here is x, it will be 10 plus minus square root 100, it will be square root 100 times square root minus 1 over 2. Then you can say here is 10 plus minus square root 100, it will be 10, and we know that square root negative 1, it will be I over 2. Then if I divide this value by this 2, I mean I separate this fraction, so 10 divided 2, it will be 5 plus minus 10 divided 2, it will be 5i. So we'll find out here is x, it will be 5 plus minus 5i. So it will be a complex solution. Here is no real solution. It is an imaginary number. Now at this moment, we'll find out the value of y. But here x, it will be 5 plus 5i. And here x is equal to 5 minus 5y. But recall, y is equal to our third equation, y is equal to 10 minus x. This is 10 minus x. So I can say this expression here, y, it will be 10 minus x, and here y is equal to 10 minus x. Now you can see when x is equal to this value, this time y is equal to 10 minus x, it will be 5 plus 5y, and here y is equal to 10 minus this time x is equal to 5 minus 5y. Now you can see this expression, it will be 10 minus 5 minus 5y, then it will be 10 minus 5, it will be 5 minus 5y, and it is also 10 minus 5 plus 5y, and you can see that it will be 5 plus 5y. So we'll find out here is nice solution. It will be when x is equal to 5 plus 5y, this time y is equal to 5 minus 5y. So we will find out, here is a nice solution. It will be xy when x is equal to 5 plus 5y. This time y is equal to 5 minus 5y, and when x is equal to 5 minus 5y, and here is 5 plus 5y. But interesting, here is no real solution, both are complex solution. Now at this moment, let's verify our question. It will be x plus y is equal to 10, and xy, it will be 50. Now you can easily x plus y, x it will be 5 plus 5i, and y it will be 5 minus 5y is equal to 10. Now if I cancel out this value, because of that this plus this is negative, so 10, 5 plus 5, it will be 10 is equal to 10. So left hand side and right hand side is equal. So you can say this is our right answer. But at this moment, this time this is equal to 50. So this value, it will be x y is equal to 50. Now we are finding out x is equal to 5 plus 5y times, and it is also 5 minus 5y is equal to 50. Now you can say easily, if you think this is a, this is v, this is a, this is v, so you know that a plus v times a minus b, it will be a square minus b square. If I follow this rules, I can say that this expression, it will be 5 square minus 5i whole to the power 2 is equal to 50. Now at this moment, you know that 5 square, it will be 25 minus 5 square, it will be 25, and I squared is equal to what? So you know that I is equal to square root minus 1, and if I use both side whole square, so I to the power 2, it will be square root minus 1 whole square, then square root is cancelled, we will find out minus 1. So you know that I to the power 2, it will be negative 1, I to the power 2, it will be minus 1. So I put this value in this expression, so it will be minus 25 is equal to 50. Now you can see this minus is plus, so it will be 25 plus 25 is equal to 50. Now you can see it will be 50 is equal to 50. So you can see that this moment left hand side and right hand side is equal. So our final answer is x y, it will be 5 plus 5y, 5 minus 5y, and when x is equal to 5 minus 5y, this time y is equal to 5 plus 5y. But interesting, here is no real solution, both are complex solution, both are complex number. Thank you all. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.